Hello guys, this is YLC 3rd grade lesson 1. Let's get started. Use subtraction to find the missing addends. So 6 plus something is 13. So to find that something, we're going to need to subtract 6 from 13 because 6 plus this value would be 13. So this value minus 6 would be this one. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 20 minus 8 is, borrow that, 10, 2, and 12, and minus 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 2, bring down the 2, 22, 11 minus 3, bring down the 10, so that would be 11 minus 3, 8, and 7, same thing, that would be 6, 9, bring that one down, 11 minus 9 is 2, that would be 12, and 11, subtract 8, 7, 0, 24 minus 10, that's just 10, so that would be 14, 15 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1, bring down the 1, 11, 14 minus 2, take away the 2 from the 4, that is 2, bring down the 1, that's 12, 20 minus 12 is, bring that 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, and then 11, 1 minus 1 is 0, so that would be 8, and 16, lastly, 7, bring that, so it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, so that would be 9. Okay, let's move on. Use subtraction to find the difference. 70 minus 34. Since the 4 is bigger than 0, so we can't subtract it. So make that 6 and make that 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 36. Borrow that again, so that will become 10 and 16. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 3 plus the left 6 is 9. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 2 is 6, 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 6 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, 24, 1 minus 9, we can't do that, bring that, 10, minus 9 is 1, we have the leftover, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6. Let's move on. Write the value of the bolded digit. So bolded digit right here is the 9 over here, right? So what's it mean by value is that this is not just a 9, but there's a 6 here, and it's 2-digit number. 9 is over here, so that would be 90. Because just because it says 9 doesn't mean it means regular 9. There's a number after 9 which makes it 9D. This one, the 3 is in the middle, which is ones, tens, and hundreds. So this is in the tens, so that would be 30. This one is in the ones, so that would be just 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so that would be 1,000. This one is ones, tens, and ones. It's in the ones, so that would just be 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, that would be 400. The number before it doesn't really matter because if it's bolded, and let's say 2,483, the dot is right here, so we're looking at 4. So 2 doesn't really matter because we only need to figure out how many digits from the dot to the bolded number. So this one, the dot would be here, that would be 1, 2, 3, so that would be 3, which is 10, ones, tens, hundreds, that would be 300, that's 1, and that's in the tens, so that would be 70, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, so that would be 3,000. Word problems. Susie sells cups of lemonade. At the start of the day, she had 60 cups of lemonade. She had sold 20 separate cups of lemonade to her friends and 12 separate cups to her church. How many cups does Susie have left? So at the start, she had 60 cups. 60 cups. And then she sold 20 separate cups. That'd be 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that's how many she had left after she sold it to her friends. And she also sold 12 to her church. So minus that, make that 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. Susie has 28 cups left. Freddie reads 35 pages in 7 days. On average, how many pages did Freddie read each day? Be sure to show your work. So we have 35 pages right here. That's how much Freddie read. And we have 7 different days. We have 1 day here, 2 day here, 3 day here, 4 day here, 5 day here, 6 day here, 7 day here. So we need to separate 35 into 7 different ones. So we could do 35 minus 7 is 2, and then that's also 10 minus 7 is 3, that would be 8, 28. Okay, so we did once. That was 1 day. Minus 7 again, 1, and then 2 left. That's another day. Minus 7 again, borrow 10, 3, 4, that's 4. That's another day. Minus 7 again. Let's borrow that. That's 7. That's another day. And then 7 minus 7 is 0. We finally got to 0. And we did once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So on average, Freddie read 5 times. 5 pages each day. The local food bank had 24 cans that it needed to separate into 6 boxes. How many cans were put into each box without having any cans left over? Be sure to show your work. So 24, and it's to be separate into 6 boxes. So there's 6 boxes. There's 24 cans. So let's take 6 away once and see what happens. It's 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. It's 1. Okay, that's once. That's 1 box. 6 again. 2, 12. That's another box. 6 again. That's another box. Finally, 6 again, and we get to 0. So that is 4 times. If an egg carton had 12 eggs and Shanna bought 6 egg cartons, how many eggs did Shanna buy? Be sure to show your work. So we have 12 eggs here, and then we also have 1 more, 2 more, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6. So that would be 12 times 6 because we have 6 egg cartons. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6. Carry the 1. That would be 72. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.